Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from FGNormal. So let's start with this one. Now I did have to sort of cut open each of the bags because they did send me some themed Halloween stuff that I shared with you the other week. But all I did was check whether it was Halloween or not. So this is the first one. This is a special diamond painting and it caught my eye. Why, I hear you say? Because of the colour. I just love a nice colourful painting. I find, especially if you've done one that's a bit more muted, mainly suited, you know, maybe you've done one for decor in your house. Looks amazing, don't get me wrong, but sometimes you just need to throw a little bit of colour into your next painting. And I thought this fish painting was really sweet. Looked nice on a child's bedroom wall as well, or even a classroom wall. Maybe an end of teacher gift, end of school teacher gift. Are we in that time? No, they've only just started school, haven't they? Anyway, forward planning. You do get a boat wax pen. Then again, Australia, they break up around Christmas, don't they? Just before Christmas. So it will work somewhere in the world. But these are the diamonds we have. So we have a lot of blue, and these are blue pearlized ones. So by the looks of it, they are all the way sort of there, every other line around the fish, and they give you the scales as well. But then we have added colour, of course. So we have red, pink, green, blue, orange, purple, yellow. Then we have some little teardrops in silver. What are those ones? There's only a couple of those, isn't there? Number 3. I'm trying to find where they are. Oh, they're just down here, I think. Is that number 3? No, it's not number 3, it's number 10. Oh, here. Okay, that's why. So I was trying to work out why they were going on a circle. Actually, that is number 10, the orange ones, and then you have the purple ones. So there must have been a mistake made somewhere, but they've rectified it and they have slipped in the right ones, which is the orange circles, and that makes a lot more sense to go on these orange ones. But there's actually only 3 that you need, and I think there's a bit more than 3 in there. So can't argue with more. It helps us to do some other projects sometimes, or add a little bit of sparkle to other projects. So that's the first one. Let's have a quick measure in case anybody is thinking this would be a good gift idea. So it's 24 centimetres by 24 centimetres for a frame, but that's fun. I like bright painting. Okay, number 2. What's the next one that I chose? Oh yes, we're on an animal theme. This one is dragonflies. Yes, it was probably the blue that caught my eye. There's no 939 in it though, and no 310. But this is a 30 by 40. It is in round. You get a toolkit with baggies. And it is a just short of 25 by just short of 35. It does come with DMC numbers. It has got some blockiness in the background here, but it has also got quite a nice bit of confetti. So it's a nice one that's a mixture of the two. Let's have a look at these gorgeous blues. Gorgeous, gorgeous blues. I like a good bit of blue. Let's find out which one we have most of as well for that background. But we've got some grey colours as well, but then some really nice blues. Top of lime green. Oh, there we go. There's the background one. Number 10, 820. So that's what you do have the most of with 2 bags. But then look, got some really nice greens to mix in. Dark greens, blues. We have got some extra for number 20. Or is number 20 just missed off? Yes, number 20's missed off. So that's number 20. And then we've got the last of the colours there. So if you like green and blue, then this one is definitely for you. Got lots of greens and blues. A little bit of yellow to bring in, especially down the bottom. Oh, get in, get back in. There we go. Try and keep the diamonds together as much as I can. I struggle on the bigger paintings, but try what I can on the small. So yeah, we've got some hints of yellow and stuff down here. But I just thought that was gorgeous. It just caught my eye. And then, last but by no means least, because there's always more, a little bit of elegance. I did think of my mum when I saw this painting. This is down to 30 by 30. It is a round. It is just short of 25, by just short of 25, but what a gorgeous bathroom picture. Once this video goes up, I'm going to see how long it takes me mum to text to say, actually, yeah, please. It does come with a toolkit with a couple of baggies, and the colours in this one are a lot more muted. There's 22 colours and it does come with the MC numbers, but we have more sort of creamy browns for the shading, muted green, greys, beige. So there's lots of beige and brown in it, but the image is stunning. And then peaches and more, you know, purpley browns. While it's the last painting, I'll fight with them later. But just look how much detail shows up for a 30 by 30, and that's before diamonds have been placed. But I think that would make a lovely little addition to a powder room. Little powder room to show. And then you can fit, you know, once you've done a nice muted powder room, you could then go for some bright blue. And then maybe finish it off with a special diamond painting with a pop of colour. I like to mix them all up in that way. I don't know if you do. But I will pop the links down below. Hopefully there's something for everybody's taste. But do let me know what your favourite types of diamond paintings are. And thank you to FGNormal for sending me these to share with you all. And I'll speak to you all again soon.